Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of this course. So, what is Java? Java is a programming language. From laptops to data centers and gaming consoles, Java is everywhere. Java offers plenty of attractive features like it is platform independent, which means that if we write a program in Java in Windows operating system, then it is compatible with the Mac OS and Linux. Java has a rich standard library, making it very easy to code in Java. It is a highly interactive and responsive language. It is portable and platform independent. It is robust and secure. And these are the other features of Java. Java is used in Android app development by using Android Studio, an IDE made by Google. Java is also used in web development with the help of AngularJS and Node.js. Java is also used in continuous testing by the help of Selenium Drive. Java is also used in data analysis and data science and also frameworks. So this was all for this lecture. Thank you and meet you in the next video.